they clubbing, they chilling, they.
Jimmy, I've brought you here to apologize for my husband's behavior. See, there was nothing I could do under that circumstance.
Auntie Dorothy, I swear there's nothing between me and your daughter.
Sure?
Yeah. Your husband is being misinformed.
Then you must be very careful. Because if it were true, it would be very bad. Mother and daughter. Anyway, that's not why we are here. See, I cannot come to your residence, so you must move.
Auntie Dorothy, I don't have enough. I mean, I don't have money to find a new place.
Don't worry, that's my problem. I've got you an apartment. You like it?
Yes, of course. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Then from here, we move straight to the place. It's a very nice place. And I believe you'd like it.
Yes. I'd like to see the place.
Okay. I'll be faithful.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Alima. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Why didn't you call?
Come on, sir. I try, but you don't get to.
Are you sure? Oh, you've lost the car.
Oh, sir, no. You didn't hear. That's it. You didn't hear.
All right, sit down.
Okay, sir. That's that.
Alima, come here. Up this way. Leave the car behind and come and sit here.
Okay, sir. Sir. Yes, sir.
Alima, I want you to do me a favor. Could you please go with me to the house and cook for me? I'll pay you for the day. I want to enjoy some true serving. Okay? We'll go through the market and buy some food stuff.
Okay, sir.
That's good.
Beware.
Jimmy, if left with me alone, I will advise you to stop seeing any of them.
Hey, Achiba, Leskin, let us give him the blind and choose him one. Emaga choose either the mama or the daughter.
Wait a minute. Why do you want him to choose between the mother and the daughter? I mean, what he's doing is a serious taboo. You know what? Serious taboo. My friend, what is the taboo here? Huh? What is the taboo? Have you forgotten Lot slept with his own daughters?
And you think what Lord did is a righteous thing?
Look, Jimmy, don't mind anybody. Don't mind them, okay? Don't mind them. I think they are jealous of you.
Me? Not me.
Let me tell you, from the mother to the granddaughter, don't spare anybody. Hammer them well. Hammer them. Man, me, I don't see anything wrong with this.
Look, Anas, let me be frank with you. You are not good friend at all.
Oh, come on.
Hey, Anas, ono a rasclat. Ono a bomba clat.
Ono a mad clat.
You dissing me? You don't know. Jimmy, if you don't stop this pim business, if you don't stop it one day, one will carry this bingy hood in between this bumbo ties of yours. One will carry it on your shoulder. If you don't stop it, you don't know.
Nora, how did you know I was here?
No, it was just by instinct. Hi, guys.
Hi, sweetheart. I have moved to a new place.
Really?
Yeah. Let me take you there.
Problem.
See you guys later.
Lover boy, big pimpin'.
Paparazzi, where have you been?
I was here yesterday, but your father told me you've gone out.
Really?
Yeah.
He didn't tell me though.
From the way he looked at me yesterday, I could see he would never tell me where you were. I don't know what I've done to him. He doesn't like me.
Don't say that. My old man likes you, yeah?
Well, yeah. Wow.
Paparazzi, what is that? What are you trying to do?
Come on, you're looking sweet and sexy.
Thank you very much.
Come on, just let me touch you.
Paparazzi, listen, I don't like that. If you try that thing again, I'll disgrace you. Those days are over, yeah?
What are you talking about? Huh? You see, I could see those prostitutes have influenced you. Very soon, you'll be a prostitute. Just look at the way you dress. From head to toe. Huh? Look at the way you dress. See? Wait, no, don't.
Idiot. Said you were coming to touch me. I'm a bit showing what I mean.
Charlotte. It's for you. Yeah, this is for me. Auntie Dorothy and her daughter.
Jimmy, you crazy. What do I need a condom for? Condom, man.
To protect yourself, my friend.
Hey, Jimmy. Oh. Jimmy, let's get. May I have a girlfriend? I may not need condom for anything. It's me, I'm a girlfriend. I don't play around. So I don't need this bumbo clap condom.
Yeah, she could be playing around.
Hey,
so you need to take precautions.
Achieve a let's get. If I don't trust Uno,
get.
I don't go out with Uno. If you don't know what is making a nyam in a wrapper, making a nyam like that. Just take this. It's me, my girlfriend, and Me ganja. Take this.
I bet
Clap.
Okay.
Me always on the safer side.
Okay.
You have to take this. Boy,
okay.
Don't forget to put some for on your tongue. Sometimes you lick it.
Lick it too. You mad clad. You
blood clad. I want to give me a condom. A condom for what? This. I don't know. Hey. What is Ha! In fact, AHWEYIE saw there, Papa. Upon all the warning the man gave to him, he's still following this woman. That one. This is ridiculous. Listen, that warning was the one he had with the daughter. You know what go happen if the man found out that him a dating the wife too?
Look, Dito, stop worrying this guy. What's up? Huh? Ada yebe wuntiena.
Yo, pamper him. Pamper him. Every day for thief man, one day for master.
Oh, nothing will happen.
Okay? Okay.
Nothing will happen.
Charlie, what thing does Emily want here now?
Now me you ask. You shun this profession.
We for wait see. If we wait see what thing she come do here. My sister, make you forget about Emily. Hey, you see we are losing. Market not be good. Forget about her and let's concentrate.
She shocked me, sir.
Hey.
Alima, get me some more water. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the name of your boyfriend again?
Ali Baba Muftauza. But they call him Ali Baba. But I prefer Ali.
I see. Do you have any plans of getting married?
Yes, sir. With the safe towards him. He might try. He become what they use for marriage. So we they hide some money small, so that we could fit meet the deadline, or I'll be forced to marry him.
That sounds very expensive. Do you mind if I help towards that? Alima, you're a very beautiful girl. I would have married you if I'm not married. Look, I will give you 2 million cedis towards that.
To Boisier, Tidia will be an abotre. Cocosajifa would me penny chair. Adia will be done, she will be a one. So Binima will be chair. Fesogina made this be bia one emre. The Jai said, walk remember to pray. And I was a comeback of your honaya. You can't want our pantiadi. The so would have honor she and now she has some. So who you not going to bet your cratchy. Babaso crown my whoa, so when
life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time, so beware.